If you'd like to use the retrospect option in Miro, I'm going to show you how to use a Miro board for retrospective, and I'm going to show you all the details involved. So without further ado, let's dive in. All right, so right from our dashboard, we're going to go ahead and click on Explore Templates. You can actually go ahead and type in here retrospective, and you will find a long list of templates for retrospective boards. Now you can go through and look for what it is that's going to suit your team's needs best. Okay, so this is pretty cool. It's an arcade style retro board. There are, as I said, tons. For me, there's 158, but of course, at a different time of searching, there may be some added. Once you've selected the one that you'd like, you will end up, I'm going to open this up, you'll end up with the retrospective board looking like this. All right, so you can now go and you can see everything within here. And if you use the select tool, you will select now the entire unit. Okay, so let's just go ahead and select this entire unit. And this is an SVG. Now, all you need to do is hover your cursor over this long press to unlock, and it'll unlock it into each one of its elements. Now you can actually go ahead, you can see over here, there are different elements in here that you can go and you can edit. Now, of course, there are fantastic tools to use while you're going along. So if you go up to here, there are facilitation tools and reactions. Here you can use a timer. Okay, if you have upgraded to the paid plan, you can use a timer to manage each one of your sections so that you don't run off track. And then also you can choose a voting feature, which will allow you to vote for certain things once you have had your discussion. You can also add notes over here. So if you just click on this, you can just use the backspace. You can change the formatting and you can add notes right onto this retrospective board within Miro.